Hey guys, Crypto Dad here again with a quick warning about your seed phrase. That's that list of words that you write down when you set up your wallet, whether it's a hardware wallet or a software wallet. It's usually 12 or 24 words. The warning is please do not scramble up that seed phrase to thwart some sort of would-be attacker or thief. It is a recipe for disaster. So let's talk about this a little bit. I always spend some time in the morning going through some Reddit posts, and I ran across this one this morning. It's particularly a good example of what can happen in these types of situations. So a couple years ago, he bought a Ledger Nano S, and then he scrambled the seed words, thinking that that was some sort of security measure to thwart anyone that would find the seed phrase. Well, then he gave his brother the Ledger device to put some more crypto on there, and his brother didn't enter the PIN correctly and tried 3 times and reset the device. Now the device no longer has access to the cryptocurrency, and he needs to restore his seed phrase in order to gain access to his crypto. But unfortunately, he can't remember exactly how he scrambled the words, what he did. He thinks that perhaps he switched the evens with the odds, but he tried that to no avail. Looks like he's lost his crypto. So guys, please, I know it feels like you're trying to be super secure when you try these kinds of schemes, whether it's splitting up the seed phrase into different pieces and hiding them in different locations, or scrambling the words, or maybe writing the words in some kind of code that you've devised, perhaps substituting some other words in that you'll think you'll remember what you did later, like from a book or something like that. This is not the way to secure your crypto. The way to secure your seed phrase is to write it down in order in one location on a piece of paper or some sort of metal backup that can record your words and their order accurately and store them in a secure location, just like you would with your jewelry, or if you have gold coins or anything of value. Just store it in a secure location where no one will find it. Please don't go to any of these little schemes that you think are going to outsmart some criminal. The only person you're going to end up outsmarting is yourself. So please don't do it. If you have any questions about anything I said, please throw them up in the comments and I'll do my best to get them answered. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, I would appreciate it. When you subscribe, there's a little bell that you can click that will allow you to be alerted whenever I post new content. Once again, thanks for joining me and hope to see you again soon.